This is OPPO Find N2 Flip, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can set up parental controls on this device. So to begin with, we will need to check whether we have any Google accounts added. If we have, we gotta remove them, like that. Onwards, enter the Google category, then tap at the parental controls, get started, child or teenager, next. Now you are going to need to sign into the child's Google account. Then, once successfully logged in, choose the account from the list over here, and then start entering another credentials, but this time for the parent's Google account. Or for the Google account that you will use as a parent, rather, or supervisor. So you know the drill, enter the email address, then follow it by entering the password. Then scroll the following About Supervision page all the way down, and in here at the password field, enter the password to the child's Google account one more time. Tap at the Agree button, then at the following pop-up window, obviously you gotta click or hit the Allow option. Wait for the parent and child accounts to get linked. Then go for Next. This step and the following one we can skip as for now, since those configurations can be done later on as well. And currently I would assume that we are more focused on the on finishing the setup procedure sooner. From here, well, my setup just decided to glitch out. Well, that happens. Not a big deal at all. So, already, the system didn't left me any choice. Basically, at the point that my system glitched out, you can already assume that the setup at the child's end was successful. Now, you gotta take your device, which you will use as a parent or supervisor, and download the free Family Link application. That's the tool that you will need to use in order to perform all your supervisor or parental duties. Then make sure to sign in with the parent Google account, and inside the app itself you can do all kinds of stuff. For example, set up the data limit, downtime routine, turn on or turn off the applications, as well as restrict the app usage and monitor the app activity. Apply content restrictions or age restrictions, configure account settings, manage devices if you have multiple devices added into your family over here. Then monitor your child's live location if you will set it up at the child's end, and not at the child's end specifically, but if you will set it up, and see the child's device usage highlights. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.